So I decided to keep all the boring putting stuff together on this video. But we do have, let me flip this camera around real quick. We do have the motor inside the Denali. 416 supercharged motor. Just got to clean it up a little bit, get some last minute things hooked up, and we're gonna start this thing. So stay tuned. Let me get some hoses and stuff hooked up here, get the fans on, and yeah, I'm gonna crank this thing up, see what happens. Moment of truth, dirty hands. Here we go. Got mostly everything hooked up, but I'm just gonna do a little test start to make sure everything is good before I actually throw everything together. So here we go. Let's come over here to the truck. Let's pray. Okay, we got gauges. Battery's a little low. Oh my Lord, I'm praying. I think the battery's dead. Redo. If you didn't know this already, LS's love their grounds. Always, always, always check your grounds and make sure you have plenty of them. Here we go. All right, so take two. Now we got power to the battery. Okay. See if we get some oil pressure. It's got a huge vacuum leak. I'm gonna go ahead and put the intake on it. Here we go. Let's see what we can do here. We'll go ahead and connect this bad boy. Oh, you know what? That might be pretty important. Timeout. All right. Hook the intake up. Forgot there's a main vacuum source to the supercharger. There's no belt on it, so I'm not worried about anything else. But also, main vacuum, duh. Golly, dude, this is the first time. It is currently probably midnight right now. So let's try this again. Let's see what we got. There we go. Come on, oil pressure. Let's check. Well, we're gonna pause. See you back tomorrow. I don't really know if this thing has oil. It leaked oil, but I don't know if it has any. So I'll call it a night. I'm dirty, I'm tired. I'll redo it tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Not ending the video just yet, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, welcome back. Day 2. Did a little bit more. Did the oil change and put the hood on, put the fans in. Did a little bit of testing before I embarrassed myself again. So if you like raw, uncut, unscripted footage, this is your channel. So check it out. We got water and coolant in the intercooler tank. We got the fans in, hooked up, got the belt on, got everything pretty much hooked up. I did start it just to make sure we had oil pressure, but now we need to start it and let it run and get up to operating temperatures, so that way we can figure out how much more water it needs. So let's do that. pull this thing outside and let it get a bath. 'Cause, man, it needs it. Here we go. It is not liking us today. This cam is way too big. Come on.
Come on, man.
There we go. Hold your idle, baby. Woo, got oil pressure. Make sure nothing's leaking. You got smoke coming from somewhere. Oh, there's just oil burning off. Woo. That's what I'm talking about. Do we have circulation? Not yet. Well, let's pull this thing outside. We got everything up to temp here. Don't mind the check engine light there, but got it at the temperature. Got 40 psi on the oil pressure. Let's see if this in gauge works. Gotta put a little love juice on it. It's been hot, so. Oh, we got action. We got action. That AC is blowing cold. Let's go. Connect. Actually, scan and clear. Oh, whoops. Scan and clear. Delete all settings for current vehicle. No, actually, we don't want to do that. We're not going to mess with that. We're just gonna connect. Ooh, IAT's 133, probably a little high, but it is more than 91 degrees outside. But we do not have E85 in here. Not reading the boost. Figure that out later. But come on, focus. There you go. Other than that, and with AC full blast, thing sounds nasty. Gonna get it a bath tomorrow. Fans are working, so that's good. But maybe later on when it gets cool, we'll take it out for a drive. Just too hot right now. But yeah, we'll see you guys here in a little bit. We out here driving the beast this morning. Currently 7:47. We're going to wash this thing up. Get it back to the owner. and hopefully we'll see this thing out on the street soon. Still not reading boost for some reason, but driving good, so that's good. See y'all in just a minute. Got the Denali all cleaned up. Oh, looking good now. That Denali V. Shout out JRX Tuning. Got it all cleaned up, ready to go. Car meet tonight. See if we can't swing out there and make some noise. Get a startup video for y'all here in just a minute. See if this dude does anything crazy here. Too hot to be out here recording.